In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk email in Zendesk. If you've ever found yourself needing to communicate with multiple customers at once, perhaps to update them on a recent system issue or a change in policy, Zendesk offers a straightforward way to do this effectively using its ticket system. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you have a robust understanding and can execute this seamlessly. First, we begin by creating or filtering tickets in a view. This is crucial because you want to make sure that you're reaching the right audience with your message. For example, you might want to select all open tickets that are tagged with a specific keyword. This tag could correspond to a particular issue or campaign, depending on what you're focusing on. The filtering process helps narrow down your communication to just those who need it, avoiding unnecessary emails that might confuse your customers. Once you have your view set up, the next step is to select the tickets you want to address. You'll notice checkboxes next to each ticket in the list view. Go ahead and click the checkboxes for each ticket you wish to include in your bulk email action. It's important to note that Zendesk allows you to select a maximum of 100 tickets at a time for bulk actions. If you have more than 100 tickets, you'll need to repeat the process in multiple batches. Now that you've selected your tickets, it's time to edit them with a bulk action. You'll find the Edit Tickets option at the top of your ticket view. After clicking on that, you'll see several bulk action choices. For the purpose of sending a message to your selected requesters, you'll want to choose Add Comment or Public Reply. In the text box that appears, carefully craft your message. Make it clear and concise to ensure your customers understand the context and any actions they may need to take. Once your message is ready to go, click Submit. What happens next is quite efficient. Your reply is dispatched to the email of each requester associated with the tickets you've selected. This feature is a real time saver, bypassing the need to send individual emails and ensuring consistent communication across your customer base. To wrap it all up, sending bulk emails in Zendesk involves setting up your ticket view with the correct filters, selecting the tickets you want to include, using the Edit Tickets feature to add a public reply, crafting your message thoughtfully, and submitting it to reach all desired recipients. By following these steps, you can streamline your customer communication effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.